Lance Blackwood from Legacy Church will be joining us for our next Leadership Development Night, which is happening on my birthday, Wednesday the 31st of January. Note that in your diaries, the Leadership Development, of course. But yes, you can join us for that in the evening, where we'll get some wisdom and insight about leadership and be inspired for the year ahead.
Set me free, set me free. Prison walls and concrete halls got no room to breathe.
Excel Church? Well, we've got a night for you and it involves coffee, so listen up. We're going to be hosting a welcome night for anyone that's new to this church on the 25th of January, and that's in the evening around 6:30 over at the Costa Coffee Shop in Willenhall. That's at the Keyway Junction, if you know where that is, so not the Birmingham New Road one, but you can join us there 6:30 till 8 p.m. and if you're a little late, don't worry, you still get your coffee, but you can meet new people, you can hear about the vision of this church and just meet leadership as well. So it'd be great to see you there for that Costa Coffee on us. So that's all for XL News, guys. But remember, this Wednesday is prayer and Bible study, and next Sunday is baptismal service. So come extra early so you definitely get a seat. Have a great week, guys.